Hey guys, good morning! Ayan, passenger prince tayo today. Ito na ang first ever long drive namin ngayon with our BYD.
After almost 1 year.
After, hindi naman, wala pang 1 year. Binili natin to. Magba-bare months na eh. Wala pa naman bare months, summer pa lang. So anyway guys, we are going to La Union. We were invited by, the wonderful team of Marcia to feature Oreo Hotel. Sana tama pronunciation. Oreo Hotel. They have a new wing. So, papakita natin yan. Ang tagal na namin di nagla-La Union. Huli naming La Union, ibang car pa yung feature namin noon. Nagpahiram si Geely ng Ascara nila. So ngayon, dala namin ang aming BYD Sea Lion 6. And bibigay kami ng feedback. We started our journey na 100% yung namin, yung battery. Eh syempre yung 100% na yan, hanggang 100 kilometers lang yan. Eh ang La Union is around close to 300 kilometers away from our house. So 1/3 of the trip, maubos na yung battery namin. We'll be using yung hybrid function na, yung plug-in hybrid function ng BYD natin. So yun, we will update kung kamusta siya pag long drives. We will also update kung nag-iiba ba yung hatak niya. Is it better to use EV or HEV mode with your BYD Sea Lion pagka nasa highway? Stay tuned. And also, makikita nyo rin yung mga rooms natin dyan sa ang rooms, ang resort dito sa La Union sa Oreo.
Tanungin din sila mamaya.
Oreo. Baka parang yung cookie Oreo. AU Oreo. So, kita-kits.
We are here in where are we? Clark, SCTEX.
We just passed Hacienda Luisita.
Okay, so
Dito sa
Tarlac.
SCTEX. Yep.
So nasa Tarlac na kami. So nung bata ako, sabi nila Tarlac daw yung daanan na pinakamatagal pagpapunta ng Baguio. So pag sabi, nasa Tarlac na tayo, tulog ka ulit. Kasi dadaanan daw lahat. Pero ngayon hindi na kasi nga may highway na. So nakatulog na ako as a passenger princess. And nagising na ako ulit. And okay din naman yung seats nito. Sobrang lambot.
In 1 kilometer,
As a
continue
driver,
straight.
As a driver, do you have notes?
Nakakatakot yung bilis niya. You have to be conscious na bagalan ang pagdadrive. Kasi di mo pansin na sobrang bilis siya kasi hindi nagsishake, hindi maingay yung makina at all na lumalagpas ka na ng 100. So para hindi ka matikitan na overspeeding, you have to be very conscious of your speed dito. Pwede mo naman cruise control na lang, pero Masakaantok eh. Oo lalo na itong stretch na to, nasang init pa, antukin ka eh. So I think it's better na naka-manual pa
Continue straight.
pagdadrive.
Ayun. So, dahil doon, nakatulog na ako. Excited na kami kasi it's just 2 hours away from the resort. So, I'll see you guys there. Yay. Oh my God. Yan sila. Nagpa-welcome dance.
Direct access sa pool. Ito na yung room namin. Dito na tayo sa... Sir, tulungan mo na. Okay lang ma-vlog ka? Okay lang. Sabi mo naman, paano i-pronounce? Oreo ba?
Aureo.
Aureo. Ayan, ito na. Kamusta ang rooms dito sa Aureo? Uy, ganda. Uy, ang laki. Saan yung direct access sa pool? Ay, ito na nga. Ang bongga. Pool reveal. Uy! Galing. Amin lang tong pool na to? O share sa lahat?
Share. Ito yung ano. So, pwede,
Uy,
pwede
wow!
natin lamuyin yung iba.
So, pwede yung mangapit via the pool.
Oo, yung kapit-bahay na.
O, talon ka na.
Teka.
Wow! Wow! Saka yun na yung beach. It's the beach.
Nag-picture na.
It's the beach. Wow! So, king size bed. King size bed. Napakaganda naman nitong room. Thank you, kuya. Sulit na yung ano, parang more than 4 hours namin na biyahe. Nagulat kami. Siguro first time kasi namin mag-long road trip na galing sa Antipolo. Diba dati sa Pasig lang kami nakatira kaya ang lapit lang ng lahat eh. Ngayon, na-shock ako. Ang tagal. Pero sulit. Ganda ng room. Pakita natin yung room. Oh, kita niyo yung room? Ganda, di ba? Nahilo ka, no?
Oh.
Guys, we're gonna check out the amenities.
Uy, ito may mapa.
May
Ito yung-
mapa.
Ito yung... So, sabi nila, ito daw yung new area ng resort. So, ayan o, may buong mapa siya. Parang laki nung bagong development.
Grabe, parang siyang Google Earth.
Sabi nung may friend ako, nagstay siya dito pre-pandemic. Tapos, yun nga, kaya siya nagstay dito kasi gusto nila tong resort. Tapos sabi niya sa akin na, ngayon after like 6 years, balitaan mo kung maganda pa din.
Gusto ko na rin siya.
Maganda siya.
Gusto ko na rin siya.
Ayun, may malaki silang loop na pool.
We will post the rates down below. Siyempre, after nyo mapanood tong video namin, kung tingin nyo sulit, nasa sign nyo na yun.
Ang daming pool.
Ang dami daw pool. Puwera pa dito sa pool na nasa labas ng room namin. Diba?
Wala ba yung you are here?
You are there.
Wala eh. Dito tayo. Ayun, ito yata.
Oo, executive pool. Itong room namin nata is the executive pool suite.
So, doon tatlo yung pool na
Ay,
nandun.
marami. So,
Dami.
it's a very poolish resort.
Wow.
May pamerienda buffet sila. Oh, may cheese sticks, may tacos, may mga drinks na, may okoy, lumpiang gulay, may ragu pasta. Silipin natin sa ragu pasta. Pwede. Ragu. So may champurado. Parang gusto ko mag-champurado today. Silipin natin. Wow! Champurado. Game, merienda na. Guys, ito din may kasalanan. Ba't kami sa La Union ngayon? Si Madam Marge. Yan. May pag-gift siya. Anong gift ni Marge?
Isang magdadagdag.
Wow!
So, gagamitin natin to. Uy, pwede siyang... Ay, kumakabit siya sa metal. Kaya
Kasi
ako
nga
magnetic
magnetic
to.
eh.
Kasi ganito ko lang. But surface, ay siya kakabit.
Oo.
And oscillate.
It oscillate. Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng oscillate? Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng oscillate? Yan, yung fan nag-oscillate kayo ilaw ko sa...
Mga ganun.
Luwala ganyan. Thank you, Marge. Ang daming pasabog. May paraffle daw silang kotse.
BYD.
BYD.
Kukunin daw dun sa La Union.
Meron
May-
kaming palibreng araw.
Libreng ano?
Libreng init.
Oo.
Kung pupuntahan niyo si Trixie, may libreng hangin.
Lalo, mamaya magkano, may pang-cocktail tayo.
May charge na yun.
Uminom na nga ako eh.
Oo nga eh.
Aga po, may patron na.
Yun na nga.
Kaya na nga.
May patron.
Mamaya, pakita natin ang ating festivities kasi nagulat kami sa pasayaw. Hindi ko alam kung
Yeah.
papasok na ba.
Yan, ang dami ng mga visitor ni Marge. Ayan. Yan guys, ang ganda ng Oreo. Oreo. Sabi ni Kuya, Oreo.
Yan yung ano nila. Pada mo, angat na.
Yan.
Yan. Ang ganda nung ano nila, no? Nung bago nilang win.
Mm-hmm.
So, lost.
Yan o, kita nyo yan. Yan yung bago nilang wing.
Sabi nila, yung daddy namin kita.
Hindi nyo kita. Sorry na lang kayo. Hindi, yan. Ganda ng bago nilang wing. Bagong gawa lang daw to. Kasi kaya nga bago eh. So, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parang 7 floors siya.
Yeah.
The first 2 floors, yun ang i-reserve niya pag kukuha kayo dito.
They have a private.
May sari-sariling pool right outside the room. May pool access.
Even-
Pwede man private. It's like
Yeah.
2 rooms per pool.
But if you don't want to have like your own pool, meron din naman sila na parang rooms without pool. And may maiba din parang pool that you can use like dito sa baba. Marami parang, I think diba when you counted, or 4?
Oo, dami nilang pool. Yan, so guys, puntahan namin yung beach. Silipin namin yung, kasi beachfront yung hotel eh. So, let's go. Welcome to Areo, La Union.
Oreo.
Areo. Ay! Diba sa beach, nahawakan mo yung kamay. Ay, may joke ako. Ano tawag sa shrimp na laging na-aksidente? Accident prone. What?
Welcome to room. Sobrang laki niya. First time na na-surprise ako na may king bed dito sa resort here in the province. The province, kasi usually, di ba, parang queen size yung ina-allocate nila. Ngayon sa king to, di ba? Yeah, baka may sabihin ko, king na king, di pala. And we have freebies. May baba. Uy, ang ganda ng bag, mabigat siya. Eh, may laman siya.
So, kung mabigat yung bag, ibig sabihin maganda siya?
Oo, kasi makapal, makapal yun.
Nox kapag.
Ayan. So, marami tayong activities for tonight. Tulad ng kumain, kakain tayo tonight. At bago yan, hindi ko alam na ito, but I think it's locked. So, ito yung space for the clothes. So, kung marami na yung dalang damit, marami kayong mga pangpalit na beach outfits. Pwede dito. Diba? Ito yung banyo. It's a nice banyo.
Banyo reveal.
Banyo review. Ay, maganda ng tiles. Tingnan mo.
Oh, pasok tayo, pasok.
Oop.
Ooh.
Oh. Ganda ng tiles.
Ooh.
Very spacious. Spacious ang banyo.
Ito ang banyo. Dito ako naliligo.
Ano ba eh?
Yan ang content. Honest. We're here now sa rooftop. What's the name? August, no?
No.
March?
Parang iba pa yung August.
March,
eh.
yeah.
So we're there at the rooftop, 8th floor.
We're with our friends, Kat and John. Hey. So there. Ang ganda ng view. Yan, no? Yay, kinilig.
Papabili na naman yan ng Lego. Saka ng bagong shoes. Isa-story niya, tapos itatag niya ako.
Oh. Yo. So we got the steak tartare. We have Caesar salad. Food looks good. Sana masarap. Hindi lang
Sulit.
Hindi lang sulit. Second dinner because we're still hungry.
LU. Food festivities for LU. First timer. Sean.
I love how we always say his full name.
It's not him if it's just John.
Yeah, it has to be John.
Yeah.
Here, you can have some vinegar too. We're here at the breakfast buffet. They're done eating breakfast. We're with John and Kat. I just woke up late because I was watching the NBA playoffs this morning. I got out of the room late. Yan, this is my mini buffet spread. So I got yang chow. Homemade yung pork and beans eh. So I'm a sucker for red hot dogs. Tapa, garlic longanisa, and scrambled egg. Also got corn chowder and coffee. So let's try it out.
You guys are swimming. Yeah, we did. It's so weird. It's all the bar.
We are in El Union Coffee in La Union. This lunch is sponsored by John Choi. I asked John, do you have to give your full name when you go to a cafe?
John. Like, which John? Who's John?
John Choi.
Yeah, so, diba? If you say John Choi,
But he only said John. So I don't know if you guys have been to El Union Coffee. They are known for two things. Their grilled cheese. I'll show you their grilled cheese. Yeah, there. That's their grilled cheese. And their dirty horchata. Their dirty horchata is it's their best-selling coffee here. Everyone orders this. Still as good as when I first had it years ago.
here, this one is you.
What's that?
Toasted rice coffee soda.
Toasted rice.
I'm a soda on coffee.
Oh, what's your feedback?
Wait lang, inumin ko pa.
What do you taste it like?
Wait lang.
I think it's hot sauce. I think.
It's... Yes, okay, I know na what it is.
It's toasted rice.
Yes, yung ano yung sa Batangas, yun remember sa mag-game mo. Yung kapeng bigas.
Yes, kaping bigas. Toasted rice. Okay, I'm gonna try the champurrado. They have a champurrado. Tastes like tablea. Gaya-gaya kami. So we do a cheese pull.
Okay.
Wait.
Ano ba yan? Ulit.
Wait, there. Okay. Time to eat.
Okay, kagat.
Kagat. Kagat. I don't know what this is. If it's ketchup or hot sauce. Looks like hot sauce.
If you hear that, it means
It's hot sauce.
spice.
Okay.
So hot sauce and
So good. Ba't tayo naghati?
yeah, just go.
Yan, so we just actually had our coffee, my second round of coffee. We're on our way back to the resort. And nakapark kami sa may kalye. So, sobrang init. Nakikita mo ba yan? It's giving natural blush. It's giving nakakatipid sa makeup. Pero, medyo nainitan kayo. How are you guys? Pretty hot.
Free trial.
Yeah. It's medyo hot, but I'm gonna show you this really cool feature of the BYD. So, nalaman namin na meron pala siyang feature that can cool. Ayan, no? Diyan ako nakaupo. That is me, my seat. Ay, ayun na! Oh my God! It's coming from... Wait. It's coming from here. Huwag na nating i-focus. Ang lamig!
This is the...
Oh my gosh! Oo. Yeah. It's here. Oh my...
Oh yeah, you can feel it.
Oh, even in the passenger side?
Or make it
No, it's the aircon. But here. Oh my gosh! It's so cool. Ikaw din, na-feel mo?
Yeah, I turned it on.
Uy, ang ganda.
Sayang, it's only for the front
I
seats.
know! Oh, gusto niyo try? It's really cool. So, parang butas-butas yung seat. Ito, let me show you the butas-butas part. Ayan yung butas-butas part. So, lumalabas dito yung hangin, but mostly on the parang butt part. So, sa puwet mo talaga. So,
in 1 kilometer.
it really cools
Continue
your
straight.
body. So, that's a super new feature. That is so cool. Ayan, medyo cool.
I don't know if the car is extra hot because the sunroof, and we left it under the sun for a couple of hours.
It's not hot.
It's not. Well, it's just super hot right now in the Philippines. Lalo na now sa beach kami. We're in El Union, La Union. I don't know, but at least nga the cooling factor of the car, the cooling of the seats really helps.
Oh my God, it super helps. Ayun, I can feel it if I put my, parang yung aircon siya, para siyang may vent. sobrang saya nito.
Aircon sa puwet.
Oo, yun. Siyempre, kanina ko pa ayaw sabihin kasi baka mamaya sabihin mo, hindi naman nakaka-pretty. Pero yun guys, para siyang may aircon sa puwet. Sobrang saya.
Yan. Kita mo yung ano, likod natin? Yung Oreo, ganda no? Pero their property stretches all the way
There.
to the end. Oreo pa rin yun. That's the old hotel. So
Yeah.
ito, this is the new wing. That's the old wing. So kanto tayo ng On the Wings of Love. Yan. The beach is ano, it's very nice. In fairness sa kanya. No, yan no. Lamig. Mabato? Oh. Ano feedback mo sa
Ano?
beach?
Sa tubig.
Oo.
Parang okay naman yung pagkakagawa ni God.
Okay naman.
5 stars.
Tinikman mo kung maalat?
Di ba?
Cheers. Sarap. Bongga naman our host.
Welcome to my island.
Yan! Hey guys, so we are about to check out from Oreo here in La Union. Ang ganda ng bagong wing.
Actually, sobrang ganda.
Mm.
If this was parang finished a couple of weeks back, parang dito ko sana sinuggest kung doon yung buong family ko.
Oo.
Dahil.
O tama, kasi may mga balikbayan si Trixie a few weeks ago, from Canada.
Oh, yun. Kasi
Oo.
diba gusto nila beach, tapos kasi wala nga masyadong
Perfect eh. Perfect as food trip. The old wing has villas also, good for families, perfect for families. The whole property is around 8 hectares daw. Laki.
I think they might be developing
Other wings siguro, no? Ang kagandahan rin dito sa Oreo, it's not sa busy part, no, sa may San Juan area ng La Union. So peace and quiet, tahimik paggabi, hindi masyado party peoples unless yun ang habol nyo. But if you still want to go doon sa San Juan area, kung saan yung mga sikat na mga kainan, gimikan, it's just 20 minutes away. So yeah, highly recommended. Thank you again, Marcia, for inviting us to Oreo. Oreo. I'll be honest, natakot ako ng konti kasi sabi ng mga friends ko na naka-check-in dito dati, the food was yung ganon. Pero the past few days, siguro dahil nga sa bagong wing na ito, they've improved their food a lot, no? Happy ako. Ikaw, yung may paletsyon pa nga sa buffet eh.
Then actually, yung mga drinks nila super sarap. So, masarap siya yung kapag you're just gonna chill with the pool.
Yes.
Diba? Parang relax ka lang, tambay, ganyan. Saka okay yung ang okay talaga sa akin yung beach. Kasi sobrang it's sand. So, mas madaling maglakad. Di siya yung bato. Saka parang medyo may lalim siya agad.
Agree. PM us, either myself or Trixie, for the rates. Hanapin namin yung rates tapos popost namin soon. Guys, highly recommended Oreo. So use our promo code. Joke lang, wala kami promo code.
Aureo! Aalis na na!
Aureo.
Aureo.
Aureo. So guys, visit this place.
It's really nice. It's really nice.
It's nice. I mean, I was shocked. Kailangan namin ng pahinga from the past few weeks na stress sa trabaho. Ito yun, naka-relax kami talaga. Yun lang guys.
Bye! Alis na tayo, punta pa tayo Clark.
Ay, maglilibot pa kami. Itutuloy natin tong vlog. This isn't goodbye. We're back in our favorite cafe. Little Triangle. Again with John and Kat again. I'll show you our kids during this trip. I'll show you the food we ordered. It's nasi goreng, some corn, bakso. This one is babi guling, no?
Bagnet guling.
Bagnet guling. Kropok, so like kropek, and beef rendang. Good stuff. They also have really good coffee here. They also have all-day breakfast. But we really love eating here whenever we're in LU.
Really good food. Indonesian food.
Ayun, hello. We are
Again with our children.
we are again with our children. Kat and John again.
Mukha mo naman si John.
Sino ako? Konti na lang kamukha ko na si John Choi. Dinala namin sila sa Aling Lusing because it's our first time. It's our first time trying the OG sisig of Angeles, Pampanga. I hope we don't disappoint. Right? But they have to try the OG because they've had sisig in different places all over the metro. But when you're here in Pampanga, you have to try the OG. Pako salad, favorite. So this is John's first bite of Aling Lusing sisig. We've had it before. Trixie and I have had it before. We like it. So let's see if John likes it. Da-da. Don't burn your tongue. It's unique, right? Very different from sisig in Manila.
Just giving the taste.
Cleaner. Wow. It's a nice way of saying it. Is it? You taste the sourness,
Yeah,
right?
it's more acid.
Yeah. Out of 10,
8.5.
8. Oh wow, that's high. That's high for John. 8.5. He gave an 8.5 out of 10. That's pretty high. The generous. Generous.
The giver.
So that's the end of our trip.
Yes.
We went to Aling Lusing. We went to Aling Lusing. We did the matcha place, but we won't talk about it anymore. It was mid. It was mid. We were able to refill on our Korean grocery stuff. Finally, we're headed home.
Yeah, we did a lot of stuff
On our
before
last
heading
day.
home.
Yeah.
I hope wala ng traffic so that we can just relax because tomorrow's is Sunday.
Don't mind dark kids at the back.
Ay, magulo.
Yeah, so again, this was a great trip. Hope you guys, the BYDC line is really, really good for long trips, but you kind of need to find chargers because you will use up your gas. The hybrid mode will really kick in.
Yeah.
But if you find chargers, then it's going to be very efficient.
Yeah. Kanina nung nag-drive tayo sa TPLX, naka-HEV ako. So now I think we are at 62%.
Yeah, I
so
put it on
naka-EV na
EV
tayo.
because it charged. It
Yeah.
charged during
Efficient
TPLX. Yeah.
Okay.
We thank you to Marge for our stay in Aureo, and
Welcome
happy 10th anniversary. And yeah, we'll be back.
Bye!
Bye guys!